My van round here. Me. Look at this. Hi guys, Friday the 18th of February, Hurricane Eunice landed in England. My fence went, extending my garden. You know, as you can see in the video there, you know, roof blew off a few buildings and a few trucks turned over on the motorway. It was something to reckon with, and a few soldiers, as you can see, coming up, having fun. Like, share, subscribe.
I love this. This is fucking absolute morale.
Right, watch Blanky one, Noddy, the one in the piss top. He's a fucking mong. Like turbo spastic, like he'll crow it so much.
Live on the scene, boy. Live on the scene. This just happened. I could have driven my van round here. Me. Look at this. This could have been me driving my van. Rasta. To do a delivery. Look at the new car. Cry. 20 plate. Not good. Whoa. Lift right out of the ground. This man will cry when he come out here. He must have cry, Rasta. Are you, and then, you could have drive down your submitting. Lucky no one was in there. That car just escaped it. Yeah, but that car just escaped it. Now all good, all good. Another 5 minutes and I'll drive down the road, you know. Hey, King. God. Boy, man, cry when you see this, boy. Boy, listen, this is natural disasters, you know. There's a difference with your insurance on this, you know. This is natural disasters.
Get on my head.